Where are we? his car's still in Tempe.
Who's this?
Usually brought me out here. Fucking. You're taking me back. How did you not know?
I was just looking forward to the food that's on Aubrey. His car's still on 48th Street.
It's in Tempe. We're in Glendale.
You gotta go back. What?
You're taking me back.
You're going.
You're taking me back. Bitch, right now. As soon as we're done eating, you're taking me back.
You're going back.
You're taking me back. How did you forget?
She was like, drive. So I was like, okay. So I was like, I'm gonna go to Denny's.
Back here.
I'm just gonna go to Denny's.
He lives out here.
Why didn't you say anything when you were driving?
I met